Are you curious about Mistral le Chat and ChatGPT? Let's dive into these two AI tools and see how they stack up against each other. Both Mistral le Chat and ChatGPT are designed to help users with conversation and writing tasks. They can answer questions, generate text, and assist with various writing needs. But how do they differ? First, let's look at Mistral le Chat. This tool focuses on providing quick and accurate responses. It's great for casual conversations and can handle a variety of topics. Users love its straightforward interface and ease of use. It's like having a friendly chat partner at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. This tool is well known for its ability to create detailed and creative content. It can write stories, articles, and even poetry. ChatGPT is often praised for its depth and versatility. It's perfect for users who need more than just simple answers. So, what are the key differences? Mistral le Chat is more about quick responses, while ChatGPT shines in creative writing. If you want fast answers, Mistral is your go to. But if you need something more elaborate, ChatGPT is the better choice. When it comes to features, Mistral le Chat is straightforward and user friendly. It's ideal for everyday questions. ChatGPT, on the other hand, offers a wider range of writing styles and tones, making it suitable for various projects. In terms of pricing, Mistral Lechat tends to be more budget friendly. ChatGPT might require a subscription for full access, so consider your needs and budget when choosing. In conclusion, if you want quick, simple chats, go for Mistral Lechat. But if you need rich, creative content, ChatGPT is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.